The Army's newest heavyweight protected vehicle became operational in Afghanistan over the weekend. Wolfhound, the six-wheeled tactical support vehicle, is as heavily armoured as Mastiff and Ridgback, but has a flatbed so it can transport more cargo. Forces News' Julie Knox has this report.
A bunker on wheels is how Wolfhound's been described by those who are using it in anger in Afghanistan. It's the biggest in the tactical support vehicle family, with a flatbed for desert deliveries as well as the robust anti-IED protection. Firepower-wise, it's mounted with a 7.62 general-purpose machine gun. It's got electronic countermeasures, driver's night vision and tactical satellite navigation.
It's used to move the L118 light gun, used by the EOD teams to carry kit and equipment, and by dog crews as well, because you can attach kennels onto the back of it and keep the dogs nice and air-conned.
130 Wolfhounds will be delivered to theatre by next autumn. The Chief of the General Staff has said the fleet's developing in light of the evolving threat.
When you sit down, you just feel like you're in a wee protective bubble. You feel nice and safe. It's a good feeling when you're out here.
Also ready for action are some of the 90 extra utility variant Husky vehicles, bringing the total number of those to 340. Julie Knox, Forces News.